Hello everyone, I'm Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. We're an estate planning law firm. We also do probate, and I'm very excited to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about the costs and benefits of having a revocable living trust. But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, or if you want to get started creating an estate plan, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and set up a time to talk with me for free, either on the phone or in person. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website. You can pick a time that's convenient for you, and I'll answer any questions you have regarding estate planning. So today's topic is the costs and benefits of having a revocable living trust. One of the biggest questions that people have, or concerns people have, is that when they come to see me and they say, I want to create a trust, but I think it's too expensive. I don't know if I really need one. It just seems like a lot of work or something that's unnecessary to have. Those are all great questions. So today what we're going to do is talk about some of the costs that are associated with having a trust and then some of the benefits. So first we talk about the costs. There is a cost to set up a trust. You have to pay an attorney to do this for you. So it's kind of like an upfront one-time cost. Some of the other costs are that you have to be organized, that you have to kind of go through your assets, identify what they are, where they're held. So you may need to do some changing of the titles to put those assets in the trust. And then, over the course of time, you may want to keep reviewing your trust to make sure that it's still up to date. So you may have to, it may be some costs involved with keeping it up to date. If you want to make changes, you have to hire an attorney to do that again. So those are some of the costs doing it, but the benefits are I think really outweigh the cost of having a trust. So some of the benefits are, one is you get to determine how and when your beneficiaries receive your assets. So if you did not have a trust and only had a will, any money that you were to leave to your children or to any beneficiaries, they receive those funds outright once they turn the age, as long as they were 18 years old, they were no longer minors. So they receive, so if you only had a will, they get the money right away. A trust, you can control when they receive that. Is it down the road? Are certain conditions being met? It's really kind of, the possibilities are kind of endless, and you really have the flexibility to kind of do anything that you want to do that. Secondly, you have is privacy. Is that if you have a trust, the terms of that trust are private. No one besides you and your trustee and maybe your beneficiaries really know what the terms of those trusts are. It's not like outsiders can say, there's no place that you put that will on file, that trust on file, where people can go and look and see what the terms are. So anything that you want to put in there is private from the outside world. And one of the benefits is cost. As I did mention, is that it does cost money to set up a trust, but that's a one-time cost if you don't make any changes. However, if you don't have a trust, then you have to go through probate, and probate can cost 3, 4, 5, 6 times more than the cost of creating your trust. So while there is an initial cost on the front end of creating a trust, you probably end up really saving money on the back end, when and after you die, because you don't have to go through probate. And that's one of the benefits as well, is that you don't have to go through probate. Any assets in the trust do not have to go through probate, so the process is quicker and you save money. So while you may cost some money on the front end, you'll definitely save money on the back end. So those are just a few things that I want to talk about today. Those are some of the costs and benefits of having a trust. Sometimes trusts make sense for people, sometimes they don't. If you have questions about that, you can talk to an estate planning attorney, or you can talk to me. Again, I'm Scott Aubrey with Aubrey Law. If you have any questions about what I talk about today, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more about what I have to say about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Once again, I'm Scott Aubrey with Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.